the actual. This is how it looks like actually. You see kids holding it, or see this one. You can see here inside. This is the earthen pot, and then you have the coal. Now he wants to eliminate this earthen part and make a metallic part. Two parts. There's water inside which avoids convection, heat loss.
So here we are protecting the coal to give you longer heat,
Yes.
longer period heat.
Yes.
So nothing, water is not.
No. Water is not going to be used.
Okay, no,
we
I-
can use it, but
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't make sense. You have 1.5 liter of water. What will you do with that? It's not much. But you could use that.
Okay.
But there
Something
has to be a system to open it and clean up because there could be water can cause scaling.
Yeah.
So-
The scaling at this is one.
Yes.
This is two.
Yes.
In between water is
Yeah,
there,
exactly.
and this is a coal.
Well,
This is
there's
a
a
lid.
lid. Yes. That's the concept.
Yeah.
Oh yes, sir.
And and other thing is that these shapes, there are smaller ones. Like for example, if you see for the kids, this is a smaller one. And then there are also from different types. This is his village design. This is another village design. This is some other place design. But then he has to standardize,
Is
of
it
course.
being used as a room heater?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a portable heater.
It's a portable
So you
heater, and
hold
we
it
can.
You walk with it. You go outside. It's always
Good
with.
concept. So
This is a traditional, I don't know, thousands of year old concept,
अच्छा.
and still
So
going
this
same
we
way.
can mechanize.
Yeah, this is to be mechanized
So इसको
because this is the cane,
yeah.
and then inside is the earthen pot,
Okay.
and it is still being used in the same way for last I don't know. I mean, at least I have seen it for last 50 years.
That
My
they
father
may be
is.
using germanium silver.
I don't know the material.
It may not be aluminum.
Yeah, I doubt the aluminum is a good idea.
No, we actually this need to be a metal one. It will give more long period.
Yeah.
If it is aluminum, it will get eroded fast.
What material we should use for
They
this?
सब we can talk each other. आपका कार्ड दे दीजिए नहीं तो मेरा कार्ड आपके पास है.
Oh yes,
We'll
yes.
communicate. आप काश्मीर बोलना बस मेरे को
Yes.
याद आ-
Thank you, sir.